I love to plant a garden that is beautiful in all 4 seasons. And bulbs are actually a wonderful part of that 4 seasons garden. I have the beginning in December with the little galanthus, and then you can follow with the beautiful crocus and the scilla and what we used to call the minor bulbs, which are not minor at all. And then you've got the wonderful big alliums that bloom usually in April and May. So you've got a lot going on in this corner, and then you turn and you're looking at beautiful tulips. I have to have tulips. At least fresh tulips every year planted in my containers, and there's wonderful choices. And you can have an extended period of bloom with those choices. And then you have the hyacinths, and they're so fragrant, and I love that fragrance, and they last for quite a while. And then you have the daffodils. Nothing bothers the daffodils. They just keep getting better all the time. The deer don't even eat them. Do I have a favorite? Absolutely. They are the miniature daffodils, a long line of them here that bloom over a period of time. And the foliage is small, so it doesn't annoy you when it's maturing to produce next year's bulb. And you can have these beautiful daffodils in bloom for a long period of time, and they're beautiful, beautiful colors, and a lot of them are fragrant. Actually, just yesterday, I was planting up my containers, changing them over from the season of summer into fall and winter. And I'd love to plant a lot of these beautiful yellow tulips. And so I put a number of them in the center of a large container, and then I decided to do a few of them a little differently, okay? So I took the Ophiopogon, the dark one, dumped it out of its pot, opened it up, and mass planted it on top of those tulips. So I'm going to have these beautiful yellow tulips coming up out of this black mondo grass, and I think that that's going to be really neat. So it's time to get these things into the ground if you're going to have all that beauty next spring. And try a little of each of them. Extend the season.